Yep, he's made of a potato. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh, the Pez guy here on the Pezbook channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, concerns. How do I get this on here? Oh, there we go. Any and everything down below. Now then. Alright, wow. There's this many instructions with this thing? Wow. Don't... Oh, wait a minute. Best before. I can read that. Alright. Here, I will show you a candy dispenser. Now, the Chupa Chups, they also make the pop-ups. Well, I found this cool Wild Fantasy. 16 surprises to collect. Let's see what surprise is inside. Ah. There we go. All right. Oh, that's cool how it's kind of molded in there. I can open it. All right. And, oh, I thought it was a giant sucker. That's not a giant sucker, but it is a giant sucker saver. Although I do like my coral pop-ups a little bit better. Yeah, that works. So I got a strawberry flavored sucker. And then, oh, wait a minute, here's a list of things I can get. Ooh, what's that blue thing? That's the one I want. Unfortunately, I got something pink. Let's see what pink thing I got. Oh, this is worse than tape on bubble wrap. Unacceptable. Wow, this is amazing. Oh, there it is. Hello. That's what I got. Whoa. Kind of looks like some Pez candy. It's standing on a Pez brick. Now I only have 15 more to go. Collect them all, they say. Instead of that, I'm going to go eat my sucker. Yay, sucker time. So until next time.